Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir for dogs. To begin, you'll need a few simple items. Start by gathering fresh, preferably organic, milk and active kefir grains. It's crucial to ensure all your equipment, like your glass jar and stirring utensil, is thoroughly clean and non-metallic. This prevents any unwanted reactions and keeps your kefir pure and safe for your furry friend. Now, let's start the fermentation. Gently combine about 1 tablespoon of your active kefir grains with 1 to 2 cups of milk in your clean glass jar. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth, like a coffee filter or cheesecloth, and secure it with a rubber band. Place the jar at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it ferment for 12 to 24 hours. Once your kefir has fermented, it's time to separate the grains. Place a fine mesh non-metal sieve over a clean bowl or jar. Gently pour the fermented milk through the sieve. The thick liquid that passes through is your fresh, homemade kefir, perfect for your dog. Carefully collect the kefir grains left in the sieve. They are ready to be used for your next batch. Your homemade kefir is now ready. Store the finished kefir in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. When introducing it to your dog, start with a very small amount, perhaps 1 teaspoon for smaller dogs, and gradually increase. Observe your dog's reaction and adjust the serving size based on their individual tolerance and size to ensure they enjoy this beneficial treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.